मुझे तो चाहिए, मुझे अब कस्टमर पैसे के लिए नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि कस्टमर मतलब जो कष्ट से मरे नहीं, इसीलिए वो
जी
कस्टमर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे दोस्त चाहिए। तो मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे
हाँ, क्यों नहीं,
कौशिक?
बिल्कुल सर।
अब क्यों नहीं? अभी भी नहीं, अभी कहता निगेटिव थॉट आते। अरे यार थोड़ा हाँ हाँ कहने को जाए, तुम नहीं कह के क्यों कह रहे हो? तो childhood, yeah, wonderful. Then what happened? First, the parents are very worried. 3 years have passed. The child is not speaking. Arey, 4 years have passed. He is not walking. And the moment he starts talking and walking, they say, "Quiet, quiet, stop." And after that, the teachers do the same. And finally, we become what we are.
Yeah. Is there any moment where you felt that there are no choices left now?
Now, this is a moment where I don't have any choice. It doesn't happen. It never happens.
Here I introduce Mr. Sachidanand. We call him Happy Sir. Wishes happy morning to people 75 years of age, yet younger than most of us. 55 years of impactful career he had, and he is continuing. It's not that he's retired. His journey is continuing. He still touches a lot of hearts, a lot of lives. He's life coach, youth mentor, motivational speaker. He has been mentoring me for last 4 to 6 months now. And impact you already seen this badge. And I used to tell him, I tell him that this has a lot of positive impact in the way we are doing things at Being Zero. His powerhouse of positive energy. He's a table tennis champ here. He's author of 2 amazing books, Jeet Sakaratmak Soch Ki and Jeevan Ke Rang Khushiyon Ke Sang. He runs a site, Be Alive at Work, which spends positivity among people who are working. He runs a center of self-development. So I introduce Nand sir. Guruji, can you please unmute and turn on your video and speak up so that people can get a chance to hear from you and talk to you.
Happy morning. Can you
Happy
hear
morning.
me?
Yes, we all can
Happy
hear
morning,
you.
sir.
I can't see
Happy
the
morning,
faces.
sir.
And that is very. I can see only Sandeep.
Happy morning, sir.
Yeah.
Happy
Guys,
morning, dear. But can
Yes.
you put on your videos for a minute, if possible? Not possible.
It is possible for all of them, except
Then
people who have not shamed. Rest all should be able to do.
right, and better remove that slide which is there, Sandeep. You have made my job difficult. So really delighted to be with you, and thanks, Sandeep. But Sandeep has made my whole intervention very challenging. I have never allowed anyone to talk about me beforehand, but this fellow, it does not follow any rules.
Rebel by
Second thing, he
nature.
has introduced me as someone special, which is not correct. Because I do feel that I am an ordinary person. In fact, all of us are ordinary. But if we do something extra, we become extraordinary, like what you are doing. On a Sunday, when it is your off day, you are learning something new and you are trying to make your impact in the software world. So this is all very beautiful. Now, I would not be talking to you. In fact, I would be rather like to listen to you. So any one of you want to say anything is welcome, right? Please. Otherwise, we can, for half an hour, we can just keep sitting like that, keep smiling and keep sitting, and that is also a very good exercise.
Sir, I will start first. Namaste. Thanks for coming here.
Namaste. May I know who is speaking? Can I know your name?
Here, I'm Shashi.
Shashi, yeah.
Yeah, hi. So, what is your?
First of all, Shashi has taken the initiative. Can I clap for him? Yeah, yeah, yes. You see, the opportunity was available for everyone. It is only someone who snatches it, and that is beautiful. Compliment Shashi, please.
Sir, everyone has questions. It's just that they were thinking. So, So, what is the advice you can give for kind of lifestyle? You have been staying positive, energetic, and even at this senior age, you will be you are providing valuable inputs and engaging yourself in positive aspects like writing books. So, can you share your thoughts? Thank you.
Shashi, there is someone who is like me just on your side, and I'd like to say hello. Hello, happy morning. Are, yes, happy morning. Yeah. Be like that. That is what I have learned. And everything would be good. Don't grow up.
Okay, sir.
But I have never given any advice to anybody. You know why? Because somebody who does the foolish mistake of giving advice is putting himself into danger. Because if the advice is taken and the other person succeeds, he takes the credit. And if he doesn't succeed, he fails, he give you the discredit. So I've learned it long back. So I never give any advice. The only thing which I have learned, I can share the learning, because share the learning sharing, I am not telling you that you also follow it. I have learned that I can choose my response to any situation, but I cannot choose the consequence. Like if I have this remote and I lift it up, the other end also will be lifted and will right or wrong. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. And to save that, everybody has to unmute and all. The easier way is what I practice. Right hand means yes, left hand means no. Right? So I give you the option of choosing your left or right, whatever you want to. And if you have not understood the question, then you have to cross. Right? So you can always say, so if I lift this remote, whether I like or not, the other end also will be lifted, will be in my hand. Yes, yes or no? Wonderful. See how wonderful you are. You have learned so easily. That's great. With the people who are elder to you in age, it's a great problem. They forget which hand to raise. But with you in the first time you are right. So first time right, that is wonderful. But if I lift this pen, the other end also will be lifted, the pen will be in my hand. Yes or no? Don't think too much. Yes. But is it possible that I lift the remote and the pen should get lifted? Very good. Wow, 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 wow. Beautiful. That shows that we can choose any action or inaction, but we cannot choose the consequence. So if whatever is happening in my life, I want it to be changed, I have to change what I'm doing, or I have to stop doing what I'm doing. That is there are only two options for that, right? So this choice has to be made by everyone. Shashi, are we together? Well,
Yes.
this is the learning of my life which I'm sharing with you. But I cannot tell you what to do because you know yourself best. Is it okay, Shashi?
Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
It is. You see, it is my lack of competence. Your question was very good, but I know what I cannot do. So that is why I shared my learning, and I did not tell you what to do. Right? Okay. Anybody else? Thank you, Shashi, for breaking the ice.
Thank you.
Hi, sir. This is Rahul Verma.
Rahul, yeah,
Is there,
Rahul.
is there any moment where you felt that there are no choices left now?
Now, this is a moment where I don't have any choice. It doesn't happen. It never happens. There just cannot be. You see, life is very different. problem, say software technical problem or something, maybe that you are lost. But there also there is always a choice. But in life there are always multiple choices. And so this situation, basically it is in the mind. It is not actually there. I cannot do it. I am not worth it. These are the two shackles which are the strongest shackles we put on ourselves. The world also puts shackles on us. You cannot do it. You are not worth it. Right? Interviewer rejects you. But he doesn't reject you till you reject yourself. Are we together, Rahul?
Yes.
Thank you. It was a beautiful question. Nobody ever asked me. But now I'll be better prepared for next time. Thank you. Thank you, Rahul. Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I have a question.
Yeah. Name.
Hi, sir. This is Abhishek.
This is Abhishek. Yeah, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Really, quick learners. Sandeep, I know now the secret of your success. Wonderful. Yes, Abhishek.
Question is, many throughout the career or throughout wherever we meet different people in life, there are two type of beliefs that we come across when it comes to money. So usually people say that it's wrong to just chase money, while all the time, I mean, it's also very important to go after money, because without money nothing can happen. So if money is important, and then if money is important, why this belief is frowned upon? Why people say it's wrong to just simply chase money?
No, money is a beautiful thing, yeah. But only if you can use it. People like us have no use for money. So what is in bag, my children don't need it. So I think I have worked extra. But Abhishek, what is money? What is it called? Say the currency. What is it called really? It is in the bank, but what you have in hand, what is it called? When you go to a bank and take out money, what is it called?
Cash.
In your hand, what is
Cash.
there? Yeah, what is the spelling?
CASH.
What is
CASH.
the spelling? Sorry?
CASH.
Yes, please again.
CASH.
That is where it becomes wrong. Long back, I think 40 years back, I learned the correct spelling. And the correct spelling is KASH. I learned it in 72 at Native Mumbai. Right? I was teaching in NIT Allahabad just after passing out. I went for a program. I learned there. What are the three areas of learning? The only areas of learning. One, knowledge. Right? One area of learning is knowledge. Yes or no? अरे where's the hand?
Yes.
अरे कोई तो हाथ उठाओ यार. हाँ मुझे अपने हाथ दे दो, शोले वाले नहीं. Yes. So knowledge. The other, what you do a lot in software, and by practicing, what do you get?
Attitude.
Experience.
No.
Experience.
Skill. Wonderful. And the third is attitude. I'm happy that you know about attitude. I came to know about it very late. Right? So knowledge, skill, attitude. Right? If you learn, what happens to you? You develop. You grow. Yes or no? K, knowledge, skill, attitude. If you learn, you grow. Yes. And if you grow, you succeed. Fine. So, if KSH is the spelling, then I have to work on knowledge, skill, attitude, and make it a habit. In that case, you don't have to chase cash, CSH. The cash will chase you. I have lived that life. I have more than enough. I had more than enough always. It is not the amount of money. It is the way you look at it. I learned it, and that makes me live a happy life. So I'm not frowning. I'm not frowning on money. Yeah, we all, Even if I'm born as poor, I must die rich so that I can help others, right? So that is okay. But if I follow cash, CASH, it will be a frustrating experience all the time. Knowledge, skill, attitude, right? And value addition makes you what? The word is with value. What do value addition makes you what?
Valuable.
Sorry?
Valuable.
Wonderful. Wow. Yeah, all the papers are out. Yes. And what is the purpose of this life? To be valuable. But understand one thing. How valuable you are, you don't decide. Do you? How valuable you are, you don't decide. Yeah, wonderful. You don't decide. Pooja, thank you. Like, how valuable Pooja is a daughter? Who can say? Pooja, who can say?
My parents and others.
Parents. How valuable you are a brother or sister? Who can say?
My siblings.
Brother or sister. How valuable in an interview when you go? How valuable you are? Who says that?
Interviewers, yeah.
The
Other-
other person.
It will be other person always.
Being considered valuable is not in your hand. So what is in
Yes.
your hand? Value
Cash.
addition. Knowledge, skill, attitude. Keep acquiring that. And life is too short for acquiring everything. I'm still learning. Right? So I don't know whether I can satisfy you on that count, but I know it's a beautiful life when cash follows you instead of you following cash. And what is the best way of learning? Tell me. What is the easiest and best way of learning? So KSA, knowledge, skill, attitude. Reverse it. What does it become? KSA, Bhavya. It is KSA. Reverse it. What will it become?
Ask.
ASK. Ask. Asking is the easiest and least painful way of learning. But we are very shy of asking. Yeah, I'm happy. You people were sort of, you have already probably practiced it a lot. And you know why when did we ask a lot? In which stage of life we all asked a lot?
When we are young,
When we were
kids. Childhood.
Sorry. Childhood. Yeah, wonderful. Then what happened? First, the parents are very worried. 3 years have passed. The child is not speaking. 4 years have passed. He is not walking. And the moment he starts talking and walking, they say, quiet, stop. And after that, the teachers do the same. And finally, we become what we are. So, never obey them for that. Keep asking. Though money has to come to you, yeah. You people are so brilliant, so wonderful. Money will have to chase you. Just concentrate on what you can do. And what you can do is knowledge, skill, attitude. now
So
better.
my question was, I would like to know the things how to handle comparison in life.
How to handle?
Comparison. I mean, people people try to compare you with others. So how to tackle that? Because some point of time we come over. They keep on telling us
How?
again and again, and that
Wonderful.
happens.
I understand. Tell me, can I raise your hand while catching it? Yes or no?
No.
Can I?
I mean, by
I
holding,
want
yes.
to raise your hand. Can I do it?
Uh,
Not from here. But I can
yes.
motivate you to raise your hand, right?
Yes.
Comparison is being done by whom? Someone
Others.
else.
Yes,
Nobody is in control of anyone.
correct.
If somebody does something which you don't approve, right? Do two things. First, empathize with him, sympathize with him that he has not been taught that comparison is not good, right? Number one. Number two, thank God you are not in his place, otherwise others would have thought of you the same. See, nobody is in our control. People will keep doing what they have to do because they have. Why they will do? Because they have been brought up with different parents, taught by different teachers. They themselves might have been compared, which they had lot of disapproval, but then they started practicing the same. So all the time in their mind is I am being compared. So forget about that, right? Otherwise you will start doing it, right? Rahul, let people
Yes.
do what they like. If you
Yes.
can't. And even parents do it with two children, yaar. Educated parents with lot of degrees and everything. So why do you worry about bosses or other people, right? Live your life. Let them live their life. They
Yes.
will pay the consequence for what they are doing. You choose you make your choices. You live life by your choices, right? Why? Because you cannot make him stop doing it.
Correct.
Unnecessarily, you will get frustrated, right? Okay?
Thank you. Yeah.
It is wonderful, yeah. You people, many of you are serving, many of you are studying, and you are going for this extra initiative of value adding to yourself. This is what is value addition. Yes, last year you want to say something? Last year? Anything?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing. Last year says nothing. How do you do? Say ask nothing, yaar. Jackie, Janvi, at least some names I'll know. What's your name?
Asik.
Oh, yeah, Karthik. Oh, Kaushik. Oh God, sorry.
Yes.
Tell me. You are
I have a-
you see, ऐसा है ना, ये संदीप never sit beside संदीप. है एक शेर है हिंदी में है लेकिन ये बहुत बोलता है तो मैंने कल ही पढ़ा था इसको सोचा था इसको सुनाऊंगा कि सूरज की अदावत है शायद रोशनी से. द सन हैज एनिमिटी विद लाइट. सूरज की अदावत है शायद रोशनी से, किसी चिराग को जलने नहीं देता. इट डजंट अलाउ एनी लैम्प टू बर्न. तो एनीवे, यस, आस्क मी क्वेश्चन. या, टेल मी.
फिर आप हमेशा अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड कैसे रखते हो सर? मतलब
आप जैसे लोगों
अगर
से
हमें-
मिलते हैं बॉस. अरे सच बता रहा हूं, यहाँ जितने सीनियर सिटीजन है ना, मैं उनसे खाली दूर से मेरी नमस्ते होती है. सबसे सीनियर मेरा दोस्त इस वक्त आपके बगल में बैठा है, वरना आई एम डेफिनेटली मच मच क्लोजर टू यंग पीपल. कुछ नहीं है कौशिक, कुछ नहीं है. द मोमेंट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि इट इज योर लाइफ, राइट, एवरीथिंग एल्स विल फॉल इनटू प्लेस. क्यों नहीं? अच्छा, क्या चीज आपको डिमोटिवेट कर सकती है बताओ?
हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि खुद को हैप्पी रखें.
हाँ बोलो कौशिक.
जैसे हम हमेशा सोचते हैं खुद को हैप्पी रखें, पर हमें नेगेटिव थॉट आती रहती है. हम सोचते हैं कि नेगेटिव थॉट ना आए, फिर भी मतलब
पहली
कि वो
बात तो बोलना बंद कर दो अपने. मैं पॉजिटिव के अलावा कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाता हूं. वो हो जाएगा आसानी से. तुम मेरा नंबर ले लो कौशिक, वी कैन हैव ए लॉन्ग चैट एनी टाइम. अच्छा लगेगा. अरे मुझे तो ये देखो, जिस एज में मैं हूं ना, मुझे तो चाहिए, मुझे अब कस्टमर पैसे के लिए नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि कस्टमर मतलब जो कष्ट से मरे नहीं, इसीलिए वो कस्टमर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे दोस्त चाहिए. तो मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे
हाँ क्यों नहीं,
कौशिक?
बिल्कुल सर।
अब क्यों नहीं? अभी भी नहीं, अभी कहता निगेटिव थॉट आते। अरे यार कहो हाँ, हाँ कहने को जाए तुम नहीं कह के क्यों कह रहे हो? तो ये सब ये होगा, ये अंदर थॉट आना कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं है, बट जब ऐसा थॉट आए तो कोई एक्शन मत करो, ना बोलो कुछ
जी।
ना कुछ करो। All the problem is not because of the thoughts, it is because of the actions which we do in with those emotions, or what we say in those emotions. They are damaging to others and to ourselves. थॉट तो अंदर है, किसे पता क्या है, राइट?
सही सर।
तुम्हारा प्रोग्राम लिखते हो, प्रोग्राम के अंदर क्या है कोई मतलब नहीं, लेकिन जब वो अप्लाई करते हो उसका रिजल्ट जो आता है वही इंपॉर्टेंट है ना।
हाँ
तो इसी तरह से तुम्हारे थॉट अपने अंदर रहने दो जो है, जब वैसा थॉट हो तो पॉज बटन दबा दो। यू नो द पॉज बटन, नोट कर लो, नो एक्शन इज द बेस्ट एक्शन व्हेन यू आर हैविंग दोस थॉट्स, because at least you will not add to the problem, you will not yourself become a problem. Simple thing which I have tried and it helps. Who doesn't have those thoughts? Everybody has thoughts. Okay? Okay?
ओके सर।
It's not very simple thing. Just don't do anything at that time. Just don't talk to anybody. Your closest friend comes and says, अरे यार बात करो, बोले यार हाथ जोड़ लो, पैर छू लो, कुछ कहो मत उस टाइम, क्योंकि कुछ वॉट एवर यू से दैट टाइम और वॉट एवर यू डू दैट टाइम विल बी डैमेजिंग।
यस
एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? अरे हाँ हाँ जक्की, हाँ 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 जानवी, हाँ जक्की कहता हमसे आपने, यू डू नॉट टेक माई नेम, व्हाई शुड आई रेज माई हैंड? अरे यस अक्षय, हाँ गुड, तुम इतने छोटे हो दिखाई भी दे रहे हो, तुम्हारा हाथ कहाँ है? चलो मनोज, यस, so wonderful. I think beyond time it is, and I loved being with you.
One thing.
Loved being
One
with
thing.
you. Right, and wonderful. And Sandeep, thank you, thank
Yeah.
you, thank you.
Pooja is asking one thing.
Sorry.
Sir, one thing.
अच्छा पूजा तो कुछ बोलेगी तो मानना है। हाँ पूजा बोलो।
How do you know Sandeep, sir? We want to know, see
I don't
Sandeep.
know him.
Have you have seen?
Do you know him? This fellow is much deeper in beneath the ground than what he is above. Never try to know him. Only thing is, don't even try to know him. Learn from him. I learned from him. Right? Okay? That
Yeah.
not many examples are there of people like him. What I did at 50 years, he has done at 35. So that is how I admire him, right? Never try to know people. Yeah. If you have to know, you have to know only one person. Who? Who?
We should know ourselves.
Yes, self. Right? हाँ? मनुष्य देवता न बने कोई गम नहीं, मनुष्य दानव न बने ये भी कम नहीं, ना जिए दूसरों के लिए कोई गम नहीं। इंग्लिश में बता दूंगा अगर कहोगे तो। ना जिए दूसरों के लिए कोई गम नहीं, जीने दे दूसरों को ये भी कम नहीं, ना बने सहारा किसी का कोई गम नहीं, ना तोड़े सहारा किसी का ये भी कम नहीं, ना उठाए गिरे हुओं को कोई गम नहीं, उठतों को ना गिराए ये भी कम नहीं, ना जाने दूसरों को कोई गम नहीं। वो ऐसा है, वो ऐसा है, वो ऐसा है, तो ना जाने दूसरों को कोई गम नहीं, अपने को जान पाए ये भी कम नहीं, मनुष्य देवता न बने कोई गम नहीं, मनुष्य मनुष्य ही रहे ये भी कम नहीं। राइट? Now I learn from it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wonderful. You made my day. Right? How are you feeling?
Awesome.
How are
Energetic.
you feeling?
Energetic.
Energetic.
It was all within you. You just touched it.
Like ourselves.
Right. Wonderful. Happy day, happy life. Thank you very much. Right? Really delighted to be with you all. Love you all. God bless you. And I can only tell you one thing. Whatever you wish will happen in your life. So wish big things. This I assure you. If it happens, you get the credit. And second thing, I don't say even. I know it will happen. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nandini.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.